Hello and welcome to part 2 of the video. I wanted to make a point when I recorded the first one and ended it so abruptly to say please wait until the end and before you actually press stop. The other thing I wanted to point out is that when you're doing this, I've discovered when I'm recording this that in fact it saves it as an AVI file. So the thing is that if you go to manage recordings, the recordings are actually in there. So what you can do is you can actually take that and you can put it onto your desktop. You can drag it like this. And you can put it on your, and it'll take it to your desktop. It actually saves an AVI, not MP4. That is fine. You can upload as AVI. I will upload this as an AVI to the Teams. That should be fine. If there is an issue, I will try to fix that, but it should be okay. AVI is fine. So I'll be able to see your file. Now, so there's different things here you can look at doing. I haven't really done all of this here. You can do some stuff there. You can actually upload it to those things as well. But right now, I'm not worried about that. But we'll go there. So that is how you can do it. We'll talk to you about how you upload next week. But just go there. So hopefully this makes a sense in terms of being able to record. What I'll do now is I will stop and wish you good luck for the speech next week. And that is the end of the video. Thank you.